Welcome students. In the last video you learned what is a binary file, steps to process a binary file, and then we started with the discussion of each step in detail. So you learned what way you open a binary file and what are the various file modes. Now in this video you will learn how to close a binary file and the further discussion. Okay, so let us see what is meant by closing a binary file. This is one of the steps of the process of processing a binary file. Closing a binary file means disconnecting the file handle from the currently associated file on disk. You know that there is a connection. When you open a file, there is a connection established between the .py file upon which you are writing the program and a file on disk. Okay, so that connection between these two kinds of files is actually the file object or file handle. Okay, so whenever you are closing a file, this means that you are disconnecting that file handle from the associated file on disk. Okay, closing a file does not mean that the connection that was there, means the passage that was created, or you can say the object that was created will vanish. No, it will not vanish. It will remain till its scope is there. Okay, but the thing is, as soon as you close a file, this means that that file handle is getting disconnected from the associated file on disk. Okay, now when you close a file, as you know that your file on disk is no longer connected to the file handle, so no further operations can be performed over that file with the help of this file handle now. Clear? So how do we close a binary file? It is done using the close function, which is invoked using the file handle object. Okay, so see the syntax. Syntax is file handle dot close. Now here you don't have to mention the file name with which you have to disconnect, because a file handle or a file object is associated with only one file at a time. So whenever you invoke close function with the help of file object, it knows which file to disconnect with. Okay, so closing a file means disconnecting the file handle with the currently associated file. Let us take up an example. Suppose you are working with a binary file named story.dat and you opened it for reading purpose. So for opening that file, what you will write? You will write the name of the file handle, which is fn in this case, is equal to, we use open function for opening the file. So I wrote open, and then we provide two parameters inside it. First is the name of the file to be opened and the purpose. So name is story.dat and RB is the mode in which I am opening the file, because I have to open this file for reading purpose and it is a binary file. So RB is the mode that I am using. Okay, now suppose I have done with all the processing that I wanted to do with this file, and now I want to disconnect my file handle object from the associated file. So for this, what I will write? I will write fn dot close. So this will simply disconnect my file handle fn with the file story.dat. So now you have learned how to open a binary file and how to close a binary file. But the intermediate steps, that is to process a binary file, was left. Okay, so now we are going to discuss how to create a binary file, how to process it. Okay, so in order to create a binary file, you need to first open it in any of the writing modes, because a file is created and then you have to write some content over it. Okay, so as per your requirement, you use any of the writing modes and open that file. After opening the file, you write the required data over it, whatever is as per your question or the requirement. Okay, and after this, what you have to do? You have to process the file as required. So for writing something on the binary file, we make use of dump function of the pickle module. We have already discussed about it briefly in the last video, that dump function is used to write something on the binary file, and what it does while writing, it pickles the object that I am writing into a byte stream and then writes it on the binary file. So what is the syntax of using this function? Syntax is pickle.dump. So since this is a function belonging to pickle module, so I am invoking this function with the help of name of the module, that is pickle. So pickle.dump, then two values have to be passed, two arguments have to be passed in this function. First is object to be written, matlab whatever object you want to write, that object name is written over here. And second is file handle name, means the name of the file object with the help of which you will write this object on the associated file. Okay, so the interpretation of this particular statement will be write the specified object on the file associated with this file handle name. Okay, let us take up an example. Suppose you want to write a list object named X, okay, onto a binary file named story.dat, which was opened using file handle fh. So fh is the name of the file handle and X is the object that has to be written. So first of all, how we will open this file? Fh is equal to open, name of the file is story.dat and we are opening it for writing purpose, so wb is the mode. Now when I want to write this object X on the file associated with fh, I have to write pickle.dump X comma fh. So X is the object to be written and fh is the file handle name with the help of which X will be written on the file associated with it. Clear? So having discussed how to open the file, how to write on the file and how to close the file, we are prepared enough to do certain programs and see the creation and processing of binary file practically. So now I am taking up certain questions and we will learn how to process a binary file through them. So the first question is write a program to create a binary file named books.dat. So books.dat is the file name that has to be created, and write the following 3 records of books in it. Means in this question you are already given the records that have to be written on the binary file named books.dat. Okay, and you have to simply open the file in the required mode, then write these 3 records on the file, and after writing you have to simply disconnect from the file because your work is done. So this program will create a binary file named books.dat. Let us now see how to do this program. First of all, I am importing pickle module because I am going to make use of dump function for writing these objects onto the binary file. In the second step, I am opening the file with the help of open function and specifying the file name as books.dat because this is the file that has to be created, and I am opening it in WB mode because it is a new file that has to be created. And if in case any such file is already existing in your system, then that file has to be opened as a fresh file and should not contain any of the previous contents which if it is having. Okay, so that is why the appropriate mode to open this file is WB mode, because W mode always opens a file as a fresh file and B here stands for binary file. So this is the mode with the help of which we'll open the file and see what is the name of my file handle. It is F. So F is the connection between .py file over which I have written this program and books.dat which is going to be created on the hard disk. Okay, now in the next what I have done, I have stored the given 3 dictionary objects in 3 variables which will be now written on the binary file books.dat. So after storing them in variables, what I am doing, I am writing pickle.dump d1 comma f. Now what is happening with the help of this statement? You know that dump function serializes the object given to it and then writes it on the file associated with the file handle, with the whatever file handle name you have mentioned with it. So it will write D1 object in the file associated with F, that is books.dat, after pickling it, means after converting it into byte string. Same process will be repeated in the line pickle dot dump d2 comma f and then d3 comma f. So all these three objects will be now finally written on the file. And after this, because all my processing is over, so my next job is to close the file. Now once the file is closed, what happened? File handle f got disconnected with the file books.dat. Okay. Now at last I am writing print file created. See children, when you will run this program, okay, what will happen? You will come on the output screen, but nothing will happen there. Output screen will be blank. Why? Because your interaction is with books.dat, not with the standard output file, that is output screen. Okay, so your interaction is with books.dat, therefore the output of this program is directly going on books.dat. It is not coming on the output screen. So your output screen will be blank. So it might seem to you that nothing happened when I run this program and what is the problem with my program. So there is no need to panic. Actually your output, your file, if it was not having any logical or syntactical error, it got simply created on the hard disk, and this output screen is not showing you anything because nothing got printed on the output screen. Okay. So for making the end user understand, you can simply print a statement that file is created, so that he may know that your program ran successfully and your file is now created in the hard disk. Okay, so for this purpose this statement is written, although it is not important, but it will be good if you write so as to make your end user understand what actually happened on running this program. Okay, so what kind of output you are going to get on the output screen? See, this is going to be your output screen, file created, nothing else will come on the output screen. Okay, so means your file is now created. But as soon as you make a file, you feel that I should see whether the file is created or not, right? So if you try to view the contents of this file directly, remember that binary file is a file in which data is stored in the same format as it is held in memory. So it is in machine language and it is not possible for you to understand the contents of binary file if you view it directly like you used to view text files. See, in case of text files, the content was in the form of Unicode or ASCII codes. So whatever when you used to view that file directly, the content was clearly visible to you and as well as understandable. But when you will try to open this books.dat directly, see what will happen. You will get to see this kind of file. So see, the name of this file is books.dat. You can see on the title bar of this screenshot, books.dat is the name of the file, and what contents are written in it, you are not able to understand, because this is the content after serializing the objects that you have written on the file. Okay, so here when you will view the contents, you won't be able to understand. Okay, so what way we see the contents of a binary file is done with the help of load function of the pickle module, which you will study within some time. Okay, so this is the problem that we have to solve. But one thing more I want to tell you. Children, I told you that closing a file after finishing the processing is an important step. Now I'll make you understand why is it important. See, this is the same program that we discussed right now. After writing, I closed the file there. Okay. And this time what I have done, see, I have made f.close as a comment. That means right now when I run this program, file will not be closed. मतलब the connection between F and F, which was my file handle, and the books.dat will not be broken. Okay, now see, when I do not close the file, what happened? If you run the program, you will get the same output, file created. But when you open the file and see the content, it will be blank. Nothing will be written. Why it happened so? See, whatever you write on a binary file, all the three objects that you wrote, they were stored in the buffer. Buffer means the file handle, that is the passage between your py file and books.dat. All those three objects were serialized and they were stored in the buffer. They were not written on the file right now. When these objects are written on the file only when you close the file. See what this close function does. Before disconnecting the passage, that is before disconnecting the file handle from books.dat, it first flushes out all the data which is present in the buffer onto the file and then disconnects it. Now when you don't disconnect the file, means when you don't close the file, what happens? All those objects which were waiting in the buffer, they kept on waiting only and they were not able to get flushed on the file, and that is why nothing got written on the file. Okay, so remember that you must close the file after writing, because whatever data you write in your program to be written on the binary file, that data does not get written until you close the file. That data just keeps on waiting inside the buffer. Okay, and it waits for you to close the file so that all this data waiting in the buffer can be flushed onto the file and then the connection can be disconnected. Okay, so this is the reason why it is important to close the file. Okay, and when you do this, then your data gets successfully written and your work is done.